Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll black screen. Let's get started. The black screen usually happens because of weak or unstable internet connection. First, check your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. Then reopen Crunchyroll and try playing the video again. Next, open the Crunchyroll app. Completely close the Crunchyroll app. Swipe up to open recent app. Find Crunchyroll and swipe it away to close it. Now open the app again and see if the video loads. You can also resetting your phone or device can fix small glitches. Turn your device off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. On Crunchyroll, open the app and try again. If you are Android, go to Settings, tap on App, select Crunchyroll, then tap Clear Cache. Open the app again and check if it works. If nothing works, uninstall Crunchyroll, set your device, then reinstall the app from the App Store or Play Store. This fixes the problem for most users. Then that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.